Okay, a quick video of this Sun or Snap-on brand air conditioning machine working. There it is. Probably do have a bit of a clean, but it's functioning quite well. And there it is, attached to a car. It does actually still have the handbook. It goes here, and despite it being a bit on the old side, it's always been reliable, and it is working quite nicely now. The only reason we're selling it is we decided to treat ourselves to a new unit. It's the Blizzard, is that a Q-Tech model, and there's the information on the side. It is automatic in that you just punch in the registration number. It does have a printout, and undoubtedly when it was new it would have cost an arm and a leg, but it's in perfectly serviceable condition. Obviously all the hoses are here, and I just really want to show you it working. Thanks for watching the video.